Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're given this interesting math problem. X plus 1 over x is equal to -1, and here we're going to evaluate this expression x to the power of 88 plus 1 over x to the power of 88. If you multiply both sides of this equation by x, this will transform to a quadratic equation. And when you solve for the roots of this quadratic equation, you get complex numbers. And to raise a complex number to the power of 88 is something very silly, right? So what do? We can actually evaluate x to the power of 88 plus 1 over x to the power of 88 without finding the roots of this equation. So this is what we're going to do. Here in this video, we're going to make use of this identity. A plus b squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. Now, let's go to this original equation and square both sides. So this is going to be x plus 1 over x whole squared. This is equal to -1 whole squared. Now, using this identity, this first term here is squared, and that will give us x to the power of 2, plus this second term here is squared, and that is going to give us 1 over x squared, plus 2 times x times 1 over x. X times 1 over x is 1, so 1 times 2 will give us 2. So this is equal to +1. So subtract 2 from both sides, we get x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to -1. Sorry for that. Now from here, if you square both sides again and apply this property, you get that x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4 is also equal to -1. So this continues like this. These powers that are multiples of 2, or that are powers of 2, I mean, so this pattern with powers of 2 keeps giving us a -1 as their value. So x to the power of 8 plus 1 over x to the power of 8 is also equal to -1. If you continue this and square both sides again, you get x to the power of 16 plus 1 over x to the power of 16 is equal to -1. Okay, that's cool. Now, from this equation, x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to -1. Let us cube both sides. So here we're going to apply this property. We know a plus b cubed is equal to a cubed plus b cubed plus 3 times a times b into bracket a plus b. So let's cube both sides. So we have x squared plus 1 over x squared whole cubed. This is equal to -1 cubed. So applying this property here, so this one cubed, x squared cubed 2 times 3 will give us 6, so that will give us x to the power of 6. Plus, if we cube this one, we get 1 over x to the power of 6. Plus, so 3 times this times this will give us 1, so we have just 3, then into bracket x squared plus 1 over x squared, and this is equal to -1. So from here we get x to the power of 6 plus 1 over x to the power of 6 plus the value for x squared plus 1 over x squared is -1, so -1 times +3 here, that will give us actually -3, right? So this is equal to -1. So from here, remember this is same as plus times minus is minus, so we're adding 3 to both sides. So here we get x to the power of 6 plus 1 over x to the power of 6 is equal to 2. Okay, so now from here, we're going to find the value of x to the power of 10 plus 1 over x to the power of 10. So we can get that by multiplying x squared plus 1 over x squared by x to the power of 8 plus 1 over x to the power of 8. Correspondingly, this is -1 times -1. So if you expand this, we get the following: x to the power of 10 plus 1 over x to the power of 10 plus x to the power of 6 plus 1 over x to the power of 6, and this is equal to 1. Remember, the value of this is 2, right? So subtract 2 from both sides, then we arrive at x to the power of 10 plus 1 over x to the power of 10 is equal to -1. Okay, that's cool. Now we're going to obtain the value for x to the power of 22 plus 1 over x to the power of 22. To obtain the value, we need to multiply x to the power of 16 plus 1 over x to the power of 16 by x to the power of 6 plus 1 over x to the power of 6. Correspondingly, this is equal to negative 1 times 2. So from here, if you expand this, we get x to the power of 22 plus 1 over x to the power of 22 plus x to the power of 10 plus 1 over x to the power of 10. So this is equal to negative 2. So we know the value for x to the power of 10 plus 1 over x to the power of 10 is negative 1. So we add 1 to both sides to get x to the power of 22 plus 1 over x to the power of 22 is equal to negative 1. Okay, so from here, if you square both sides here and apply the first formula or the first identity, we get x to the power of 44 plus 1 over x to the power of 44 is equal to negative 1. If you square both sides one more time, then we finally arrive at the expression x to the power of 88 plus 1 over x to the power of 88 is equal to negative 1. So this right over here is our correct answer. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe. Also like, comment, and share.